Welcome to our YouTube channel. Life is full of uncertainties. We never know what tomorrow might bring, and that unpredictability can be daunting. Protecting your loved ones is crucial. Ensuring their happiness and security should be a top priority for everyone. Term insurance acts as a safety net. It provides a financial cushion that can help your family navigate through tough times. It provides financial security if the unexpected happens. This means your family won't have to worry about immediate expenses. Imagine your family's future without you. The emotional toll is immense, but the financial burden can be equally overwhelming. How would they manage financially? Without a steady income, daily expenses and future plans can become uncertain. Term insurance ensures their well-being. It provides a sense of security and relief, knowing that they are protected. It covers your family's expenses. From daily needs to long-term goals, term insurance helps manage it all. This gives you peace of mind knowing they'll be taken care of. You can rest easy knowing their future is secure. Term insurance is especially important for breadwinners. It replaces lost income, ensuring that your family's lifestyle remains unchanged. This helps the family maintain their lifestyle. They can continue to enjoy the little moments without financial stress. It also covers outstanding debts like mortgages and loans. This means your family won't be burdened with financial liabilities. Choosing the right term insurance plan can seem daunting. With so many options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But it's a manageable process. With the right guidance, you can find a plan that fits your needs. This video will provide you with all relevant knowledge. Understanding the basics can make a big difference. You can make an informed decision to protect your loved ones. With the right information, you can ensure their future is secure. Term insurance is a simple yet powerful financial tool. It provides coverage for a specific period, typically 10 to 30 years. Think of it as renting financial protection for your family. If you pass away during the term, your beneficiaries receive a death benefit. This lump sum payment replaces your income. It also covers debts, education expenses, and other financial goals. Unlike permanent life insurance, term insurance is affordable. This makes it accessible to a wider range of people. It focuses solely on providing death benefit protection. Term insurance is a practical choice for most individuals. It offers high coverage at a lower cost. This makes it ideal for covering temporary financial obligations. Term insurance offers numerous benefits, making it a wise investment. The primary benefit is financial security for your loved ones. In the event of your demise, they'll receive a significant sum. This payout helps cover essential expenses. These include mortgage payments, daily living costs, and children's education. It also provides financial stability during an emotionally challenging time. Another significant benefit is debt protection. Term insurance can cover outstanding loans. This prevents financial burdens from transferring to your family. They can grieve without worrying about debt. Term insurance also offers flexibility. You can customize the coverage amount and term length. This allows you to tailor the policy to your specific needs and budget. Before you start comparing term insurance plans, it's essential to assess your individual needs. This involves considering your financial situation, goals, and dependents. Start by calculating your family's financial needs. Consider their living expenses, outstanding debts, and future aspirations. This will give you an idea of the coverage amount required. Next, determine the appropriate term length. Choose a term that aligns with your financial obligations. For example, select a term that covers your mortgage until it's paid off. Additionally, consider your income and expenses. Choose a premium payment that fits comfortably within your budget. Don't overextend yourself financially. Section 5. Comparing plans. Finding the right fit for your wallet and your life. Once you understand your needs, it's time to compare different term insurance plans. Numerous insurance providers offer various features and premium rates. Start by researching reputable insurers. Look for companies with strong financial stability and positive customer reviews. This ensures your policy will be reliable. Utilize online comparison tools to simplify the process. These tools allow you to compare quotes from multiple insurers side by side. This saves time and effort. Pay close attention to the policy terms and conditions. Understand the coverage details, exclusions, and claim process. Read the fine print carefully before making a decision. Section 6. Key factors to consider: premiums, coverage, and more. When comparing term insurance plans, several key factors warrant careful consideration. These factors can significantly influence your decision and ensure you select the most suitable policy for your needs. These factors impact the policy's suitability and affordability. Premiums are crucial. They determine how much you will pay periodically to keep the policy active. Compare premium rates from different insurers. This helps you find the best deal and ensures you are not overpaying for similar coverage. Choose a plan that offers competitive rates without compromising on coverage. It's essential to balance cost with the benefits provided. Coverage amount is equally important. It determines the financial support your family will receive in your absence. Select a coverage amount that adequately meets your family's needs. Consider factors like current expenses, future financial goals, and any outstanding debts. Consider future expenses like education and inflation. These can significantly impact the amount of coverage required over time. Policy riders are optional add-ons that enhance coverage. They offer additional benefits tailored to specific needs. Explore riders like accidental death benefit or critical illness coverage. These can provide extra financial security in unforeseen circumstances. These riders provide additional protection. They can be a valuable addition to your base policy. The insurer's reputation and claim settlement ratio are vital. A reputable insurer ensures peace of mind and reliability. Choose an insurer known for its ethical practices and prompt claim settlements. This ensures that your claims will be handled efficiently and fairly, providing the support you need when it matters most. Section 7. Avoiding common pitfalls. Making informed insurance decisions. While buying term insurance, it's essential to avoid common pitfalls. These mistakes can lead to inadequate coverage or financial strain. One common pitfall is underestimating coverage needs. Ensure your coverage adequately replaces your income. Factor in future expenses and inflation. Another pitfall is delaying the purchase. The younger and healthier you are, the lower your premiums. Don't wait until you're older and premiums increase. Choosing the cheapest plan without considering its features is risky. Focus on finding the right balance between affordability and comprehensive coverage. Not disclosing pre-existing medical conditions can lead to claim rejection. Be honest and transparent during the application process. Section 8. Seeking expert advice. Navigating the world of term insurance. Navigating the complexities of term insurance can be challenging. Seeking expert advice from a qualified financial advisor is highly recommended. Financial advisors possess in-depth knowledge of insurance products. They can help you understand your needs, compare plans, and make informed decisions. An advisor will assess your financial situation and goals. They'll recommend suitable policies based on your individual circumstances. They act as your advocate, guiding you through the application process. They'll also answer your questions and address any concerns you may have. Section 9. Taking the leap. Applying for your term insurance plan. Once you've chosen a suitable term insurance plan, the application process is straightforward. Gather the required documents, including proof of identity and income. Fill out the application form accurately and honestly. Disclose any pre-existing medical conditions. Incomplete or inaccurate information can lead to delays or rejection. The insurer may require a medical examination depending on your age and coverage amount. This helps them assess your health and determine your premium rate. After reviewing your application and medical reports, the insurer will issue the policy. Review the policy document carefully before making the first premium payment. Section 10. Peace of mind. Securing your family's future with term insurance. Choosing the right term insurance plan provides peace of mind. You can rest assured knowing your loved ones are financially protected. This protection means that in the event of an untimely demise, your family will not have to worry about financial burdens. They can focus on healing and moving forward, knowing that their financial future is secure. Regularly review your policy and update it as needed. Life is full of changes, and your insurance should reflect that. Whether it's a new job, a new home, or even a new addition to the family, keeping your policy up to date ensures that your coverage remains adequate. Life events like marriage, childbirth, or a significant increase in income warrant policy adjustments. These milestones often bring new financial responsibilities, and your term insurance should evolve to meet these needs. By adjusting your policy, you ensure that your loved ones are always protected, no matter what changes come your way. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate the world of term insurance. It may seem complex at first, but with careful planning and regular reviews, you can make informed decisions that benefit your family in the long run. Make an informed decision to secure your family's future and provide them with the financial security they deserve. Research different plans, compare benefits, and choose the one that best fits your family's needs. Consulting with a financial advisor can also provide valuable insights. Remember, term insurance is an act of love and responsibility. It's a way to show your family that you care about their future, even if you're not there to share it with them. It demonstrates your commitment to your family's well-being, even when you're no longer there to provide for them. This thoughtful gesture ensures that your legacy of care and responsibility lives on, providing comfort and security to those you love most. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, share and subscribe to our channel for more insightful information.